Hi, I'm Annette Krop-Benesch. I'm a biologist from Germany, and I've created the board game A Journey Through the Bright Night together with my children, Benjamin and Vivian. As a biologist, I have been telling people a lot about light pollution for more than 10 years now. We're using more and more artificial light at night, but you know what? We don't really see it. Well, of course, we see it, but we don't realize that it shouldn't be there because it changes the night tremendously. It harms most animals and even plants, and it also harms us, even if we think it's a great thing. But yes, there still is a lot of light that we don't see because we think so little about light and darkness that we keep the lights on even if nobody is around. What a waste of energy. Most people don't know about light pollution. I usually talk to adults, but my kids also wanted to know a lot about it. So, during the winter holidays, we sat down and created this game. By then, Benjamin was 9 years old and Vivian was 8. We want to take you on a journey through the night and make you see the problems that artificial light at night is causing. While playing the game, you will slip into the role of many different animals. You might be a moth caught in the beam of a streetlight, or a mountain lion that has to make a detour to avoid the artificial light. Maybe you're a dung beetle that loses its way because it can't see the Milky Way anymore. You might be a baby sea turtle that is lured into a town by artificial light, or, in the worst case, a migrating bird crashing into an illuminated building. Game over for the bird. But you, as a player, have the chance to start the game again and catch up with the other players. Or you might be lucky. Maybe you're a heron who's actually day active, but the artificial light allows you to spend more hours every day to catch fish. Good for you, but bad for the fish. Or maybe you're a seal underneath a bridge that is fortunately not illuminated, so you can get a good night of sleep. Believe me, you'll need it. Or you yourself might want to get active against light pollution, and you're lucky, your project has worked out, so you get a boost towards the finishing line pretty much at the end of the game. For us, this game started as a holiday project, but only one day after we published it on LinkedIn, we got the first translation into French. Many more people offered to help, and now we have versions in more than 10 languages, even Galician, Catalan, Romanian, and Hebrew. We hope that there will be more translation. This shows that you can start something at your dining table, and with the help of people you might not even know, it becomes a worldwide thing. Because the concern for nature and the night and our love for it brings us together. It's fantastic to see that you are part of this project too, even by just playing the game. If you like it, you can download the game for free and you can share it with your friends. It's made for families, schools, youth clubs, and basically everyone who wants to know about light pollution and likes to play board games. It would be great to hear back from you how you feel about the game. If you want to know more about light pollution, then have a look into the information booklet that you can also download with the game. Or go to the internet and do some research on light pollution. There's more and more information to be found as we find out more and more about how artificial light changes our life. For now, have fun with the game, and we hope that you can find a safe way through our board game night. And the next time you are out in the real night, think about all the animals out there. Maybe you can hear them. But be careful with your own light. Please remember, these animals need the darkness. So tread carefully through the night. Stay safe and enjoy it. It's a beautiful world out there. Thank you.